Hey everyone, it's Naif here, and let's talk about men's health. Today, we're going to discuss some common penis problems, what they look like, and how to prevent them. We'll cover everything from trouble getting an erection to STIs, giving you the info you need to take charge of your health. This is a safe space to learn, so let's get started. First up, let's talk about something a lot of men worry about, erectile dysfunction, or ED. Basically, ED means you can't get or keep an erection firm enough for sex. It's important to know that sometimes having trouble getting an erection is totally normal. But if it keeps happening, it's a good idea to see a doctor. ED can happen for lots of reasons, and stress is a big one. Things like smoking, drinking too much alcohol, and not exercising can also cause ED because they affect your blood vessels. Managing stress by exercising, doing yoga, or meditating can really help. Also, quitting smoking, cutting back on alcohol, and exercising regularly can improve your blood flow and maybe even help with ED. Don't be afraid to talk to a doctor if you're having problems. Now, let's talk about another penis problem called Peyronie's disease. This is when scar tissue forms inside the penis, making it curve when you get an erection. The curve can be small or big, and sometimes it hurts, making sex difficult or even impossible. We don't know exactly what causes Peyronie's disease, but we think it might happen after the penis gets injured a few times, maybe during sex or exercise. Treatment depends on how curved the penis is and if it hurts. For more serious cases, there are medicines, shots into the scar tissue, and sometimes surgery. It's important to see a urologist or a men's health doctor to figure out what's best for you. Chapter 3. Sexually transmitted infections, protecting yourself and your partners. Let's talk about a really important part of sexual health, sexually transmitted infections, or STIs. Two common ones are HPV and herpes. HPV can cause genital warts and is linked to some types of cancer. Herpes causes painful blisters or sores on your genitals. The best way to protect yourself and your partner from STIs is to practice safe sex. This means always using condoms, which create a barrier that can really lower your chances of getting an STI. Getting tested regularly means you can catch and treat STIs early, which stops bigger problems later on. Chapter 4. Balanitis, understanding and treating foreskin inflammation. Let's talk about balanitis, which affects the foreskin, the skin that covers the tip of the penis. Balanitis is when the foreskin gets red, swollen, and sore, and sometimes you might even see some discharge. Lots of things can cause balanitis, especially not washing enough. Other causes include skin problems like eczema, allergies to soaps, and some STIs. The good news is that balanitis is usually easy to treat by keeping things clean and using medicine. Wash the area gently with mild soap and water, dry it well, and use any antifungal or steroid creams your doctor gives you. This will help clear up the infection and reduce the swelling. Always talk to your doctor to get the right diagnosis and treatment. Chapter 5. Priapism, recognizing the emergency. Lastly, let's talk about a less common but serious problem called priapism. Priapism is an erection that lasts for more than 4 hours and isn't caused by being turned on. This happens when the blood flow in your penis gets messed up, trapping blood inside. Priapism is a medical emergency and you need to see a doctor right away. If you don't, it can cause a lot of pain, permanent damage, and even ED. Some things that can cause priapism are certain medications, illegal drugs, spinal cord injuries, and blood disorders like sickle cell anemia. If you have an erection that lasts more than 4 hours, especially if it hurts, go to the hospital immediately. We covered a lot today, and I hope this was helpful. Taking care of your penis is just as important as taking care of any other part of your body. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more health tips. Let's stop being embarrassed to talk about men's health and help each other live healthier lives. Always talk to a doctor for medical advice. Take care of yourselves, guys.